Okay, so we're going to look at a nice stretch for releasing some tension in subscapularis muscle. This muscle can often affect your ability to internally rotate the arm, reach up in behind your back, or go to overhead positions, and it might feel a little bit pinchy. We see it a lot in athletes as well. What we want to do here is we want to take the fist of the hand that's going to do some of that release work for you, and we want to kind of take the surface here by your thumb and that index knuckle. You want to nestle that into the fold between your pec muscles and lats muscles. Press it kind of tightly against your ribs there. Bring your elbow down, put it onto the thigh, and then kind of drape the shoulder blade over top of that position. All right. So at this point, the index knuckle is now kind of pressing directly up into the shoulder blade. The shoulder blade is sitting on top of that surface that we've created. We can begin to internally rotate the arm, and so as we kind of just rotate and take that hand back behind us, we can feel those muscles on the front side of the shoulder blade activating a little bit and pressing into the knuckle. So after maybe about 5 repetitions, you can adjust your position a little bit and continue exploring just different areas that you can get into to try to massage and release and decrease some tension in there. So as we're working through these release positions or self-massage positions, you'll continue to just feel like that deep, achy muscle sort of pressure, and that's how we know that you're in a good spot. Sometimes you may feel some pain referrals, some sense of achiness that refers out towards the edge of the shoulder here. That often will be okay as well. And then other times you may feel a little bit of a nervy or a tingly kind of sensation directly in the armpit where you're kind of pressing on, or maybe something that comes down the arm a little bit. And if you're feeling that, that's not really what we're going for. You want to slightly adjust your position, kind of get off those little nerves, because that's just not really going to be helpful, and it's definitely not what we're going for. Okay, so those are some of the things that we can try to release tension in the subscapularis muscle. After you do that, you can retest the positions and mobility that you're looking to improve and see if it helps. And hopefully that'll get you loosened up and moving in the right direction.